In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bot to Ctrader. We'll walk through creating a simple cbot in Ctrader desktop, getting it to compile, backtesting it, and safely running it on a demo account so you can learn and iterate with confidence. Start by launching Ctrader desktop. This is the full application where you can build and manage automated strategies. Once it's open, look to the left sidebar and switch to Automate, which used to be called Calgo. This is the workspace dedicated to coding, testing, and managing cbots and indicators. Click New and choose cbot. This creates a new strategy project with a ready-made template, so you don't have to start from a blank file. Give your bot a clear, descriptive name that reflects what it does, then click Create. The editor will open with a skeleton structure and a few helpful comments. Before writing anything, take a moment to understand the basic structure. You'll see areas for parameters at the top, which let you expose settings like volume, stop loss, or indicator periods. There are key methods such as onStart, which runs when the bot launches, onTick or onBar, which handle incoming market data, and onStop, which runs when the bot is halted. Knowing where logic belongs keeps your code organized and easier to troubleshoot. Next, add an indicator to guide your entries. You can use a built-in indicator like a moving average or RSI, or reference a custom indicator you've already installed. Typically, you'll initialize the indicator in onStart and then query its latest values in onTick or onBar to make decisions. Keep parameters configurable so you can test different periods without editing code. Now add the trading logic. Define clear entry and exit rules based on your indicator's signals. For example, you might open a buy position when price crosses above a moving average and close it when the opposite occurs. Always include risk controls, position size, stop loss, and take profit. Check for existing positions to avoid duplicate entries and consider spread and slippage in your thresholds. When you're ready, click Build. This compiles your cbot. If errors appear, read the message at the bottom, fix the line it references, and rebuild until it's successful. Select your cbot and click Backtesting. Choose the symbol, time frame, date range, and starting balance. Then run the test. Review the equity curve, drawdown, and trade list to confirm the logic behaves as expected. Finally, run on demo first. Attach the cbot to a demo chart, set parameters, start it, and monitor the log and open positions. Make adjustments as needed and keep it on demo until results are consistently stable.